Hey, I would like to share my secret manifesting word with you. It's what I use when I'm in a hurry. It's not secret, but I never shared it with anyone. And maybe it can help you too if you want to manifest really fast and you're in public and you can't speak out loud. So I have a trick for that. By the way, I asked today to be shown a nice place to record this video. I'll just share that with you really fast first, okay? What I do is that I have my hands, I don't hold anything in my hands, and I just let them swing by my side, right? And the deal I made with the guy inside is that I talked about this before, but I use my arm as a pendulum. If you tilt your body a little so the hand or arm doesn't touch the body, and yes is swinging forward and no is swinging sideways. And when I walk, I just tell them I want you to gently if they want me to make a left turn, then my left arm, while I walk, I swing the arm like normal walking, and then the arm just lightly touches the thigh. That means, okay, I'm gonna turn left, and then I walk, and then maybe I can feel that my right hand is touching my thigh, then I make a right turn, and that's how I found this place. Lovely colors and birds. Let me be totally honest with you. I did intend for somewhere to sit, to talk to the camera, but I got this, and this is in fact better. So this is co-creation at its best. Enough about that. When you manifest using the speak up method, which is linked down below, you speak out loud, right? You raise your head and you say, my intention is that I am experiencing whatever, and I ask help from my guides, or whatever you want to call it, to help me with this. That's the gist of it. But if you're in public with other people, maybe something happens, it's no time to raise your head, because it's not like the universe says, hey, you didn't raise your head, I'm not gonna help you. No, that's not how this works. But it is powerful. You feel more powerful when you do it. But back to the story, or the point. You are in a rush and you can't speak out loud. I have told my guides that if I think of a word, I mean business. When I use that word in my mind, I want things to happen fast. I am not kidding around. This is not just some fleeting thought. If this word comes first, it's like an emergency word, right? Now I want your attention, and I want all the help I can get and all the power I have to be delivered to this outcome. So you just think of that word, and you can decide that word, of course, for yourself. My word is adsum. A-D-S-U-M. I think it's Latin, and it means I am here, I am present. So it kind of fits, but it doesn't have to fit. Whatever word you decide. When I think adsum, because we have 60,000 thoughts in our heads every day, and I don't want all those crazy thoughts to manifest, right? But when I think adsum, that means go. Yeah. What could your word be? It could be, the word is not important, right? As long as it should have some meaning for you, maybe. Please comment down below what your word could be, and also what you think of this emergency secret word fast manifesting. It is a way for me to connect to all the help I can get really, really fast without speaking it. An example would be someone has an accident or something, and there's people around, and you want to, I don't know, send healing or help in the best way you can. And of course, after you said your word, then you can think whatever you want to manifest. Thanks guys, see you soon.